If you're ready to remove Adobe Photoshop 2023 from your Windows 10 computer, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to uninstall Photoshop safely and cleanly using Adobe's Creative Cloud app. Whether you're freeing up some space, switching to a different version, or just tidying up your system, I'll walk you through each step so there's no guesswork involved. First things first, let's get started by opening Adobe Creative Cloud. This is the main hub for all your Adobe applications, and it's designed to help you manage your software easily. You'll typically find Creative Cloud either as an icon in your taskbar, down there by your clock, or you can search for it in your Start menu. Just click to open it. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and do that with your Adobe account. Don't worry, that's just to make sure you have access to all your apps and settings. Once Creative Cloud is loaded up, look for the section called Apps. This tab gives you a clear overview of everything you've installed and what's available to download. It might seem a little crowded if you have a lot of Adobe programs, but take your time and scroll through until you see Adobe Photoshop 2023. The names are usually quite clear. If you see a different version listed, just make sure you're selecting the one that says 2023. Sometimes, if you've received updates, you might see multiple Adobe products in there, so double check before going further. Now, next to Photoshop, you'll notice a button or icon made up of 3 little dots. That's your contextual menu, which unlocks more options for that specific app. Click on those 3 dots. If you're using a touchscreen, you might need to tap accurately, but on a desktop, it's usually easy to spot. This menu is helpful because it keeps the main screen uncluttered and only shows advanced actions when you need them. Among the options that appear, you'll see Uninstall. Go ahead and click it. At this point, you might feel a bit anxious if you've never uninstalled an Adobe program before, but I promise, Adobe makes this process really straightforward. A confirmation box will pop up, double-checking that you want to remove Photoshop 2023 from your system. If you have important projects, make sure everything you need is saved and backed up before you continue. Uninstalling the software won't delete your actual image files, but it's always good practice to be safe. Click Uninstall, and the process will begin. This part can take a few moments, especially if there are supporting files to remove or if your computer is running other programs at the same time. Just be patient and let Creative Cloud do its thing. You'll see a progress bar showing how far along it is. Depending on your hardware, uninstalling can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. If your screen seems to freeze, don't worry. That's normal while files are being cleaned up in the background. Once the process is finished, Photoshop 2023 will disappear from your list of installed apps in Creative Cloud. You've officially uninstalled it. Your computer now has a bit more breathing room, and you're all set. That's it for today's walkthrough. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into issues. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.